Today I want to talk about this hot topic that I get lots of emails about. Are essential oils safe for your nursery? So we're definitely going to demystify that today and reassure you and give you the top products that you are going to love in your nursery to help your baby. Welcome to our channel. We are glad that you're joining us today. Be sure to hit the subscribe and bell notification and also the like. The first product that I would love to introduce to your nursery is lavender. Lavender essential oil in the touch means it's already formulated specifically for babies or those with sensitive skin. It's in a base of coconut oil. Not only does it help with absorption, but a little bit goes a long way for your perfect little newborn. You're going to love lavender. Lavender is calming and soothing, helps create that peaceful environment at bedtime or anytime during the time with your child. 1 to 2 drops in your diffuser, as well as excellent as part of your nightly bedtime routine. Or 1 drop with a little bit of coconut oil or avocado oil or a little bit of unscented lotion. I love that from doTERRA. You can make this part of your nighttime routine after bath time to massage your baby. You're absolutely going to love that. Now, because of doTERRA's safety, I wouldn't trust any other company because of the testing that doTERRA undergoes. They partner directly with the source. There are absolutely no middlemen, and all of the testing that doTERRA undergoes, I trust utilizing doTERRA essential oils, not only aromatically and topically, but also internally for myself and my family. And so if you're new to our channel, go to our previous video that we did on sourcing and testing to really understand why we chose doTERRA and to feel really super confident, especially as a mom. When you're putting these oils on your baby in the middle of the night, I want you to feel really super confident. So lavender is going to be your first staple that you definitely need. Okay, the second thing I want to tell you about is Balance. Balance essential oil is already in a base of coconut oil. It is also already formulated for sensitive skin. It is an excellent essential oil for relaxation and stress and emotions. It's very mild blend that is excellent in your diffuser or on the little feet every morning and every night to help just create a more calm atmosphere in your home. And of course, moms, you can use this as well, so that will help. Be sure to go to roxysaran.com if you're ready to get started with doTERRA essential oils. I would love to help you right there. Grab your lavender or Lavender Touch as well as Balance right at roxysaran.com. Another staple in your home that you're absolutely going to love is Roman Chamomile. Roman Chamomile is, again, a very soothing and safe essential oil for babies. It has a very soothing atmosphere that you can diffuse that. You can also add a drop to the lotion or baby shampoo to help soothe any skin irritation. Sometimes babies have that little scalp flakiness happening or some skin irritations. You're going to love Roman Chamomile. Again, very mild. It is also perfect for parents as well, and so I know, especially when you have a newborn, your sleep is disrupted. So 1 drop of Roman Chamomile in an herbal tea before bed, it's absolutely going to help you with your body and mind. Okay, what about a teething baby? Roman Chamomile is excellent for that. You can rub it right onto the gums with a little bit of coconut oil for any of that discomfort or swelling. And Siberian fir or copaiba are also excellent. You can do that on the jaws or, again, diluted with a little bit of coconut oil or olive oil, avocado oil, any of those, just a little bit, and massage their little gums. When I was introduced to doTERRA essential oils, I was a young mom, and my youngest baby at that time was 5 months old. When we finally found out about doTERRA essential oils, it changed everything. I felt very confident utilizing doTERRA essential oils diffused in our baby's room, breathe and on guard for immunity, but also for those teething gums. That was a game changer for us. Remember, I have 4 kiddos, so the last one was the one we finally found out about essential oils. I only wish I had known about them with all my previous 4 and with all of my pregnancies, because it really did change everything for us. But we started using Roman Chamomile diluted a little bit on his gums, and on his jawline we did the Siberian fir and lavender on his cheeks, and it helped soothe so much. It really was a game changer for us in the nursery. So I hope this is beneficial to you, and really just encourage you moms, essential oils, doTERRA essential oils are safe to utilize with your baby. You can do 3 parts coconut oil to 1 part essential oil and feel really confident using that on your baby. If you have any questions or feedback, I would love to hear from you moms. Go to right down below. I'd love to hear in the comment section if you have any questions. I'd love to support you. And if you are ready to get started with doTERRA essential oils, go to roxysaran.com. We are ready for you right there to help you with Roman Chamomile or Siberian for any of those products. We would love to help you right at roxysaran.com. If you stumbled across our page today and you are new, be sure to hit the subscribe and bell notification and also the like. I hope to see you in our next video, especially moms. I'm going to give you a special recipe for a DIY dry shampoo. Have a great day.